Go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to harvest these beautiful fenugreek micros. So I have been, microgreens. I have been into microgreens for, I think this whole year, whether it is rainbow mix from Arrow Farm. I used to use a lot of Arrow Farm, and I have been into watercress as well. So I saw this video on YouTube, and I wanted to know how I can make my own fenugreek seeds because I have a ton of them because I had them last time when I was trying to grow my hair. So I saw this video from, what's his name, PhillySpecial? I don't remember, but I'll put him in the description. And I also put his video link there too. So he showed me this really cool way of how to quickly grow fenugreek seeds with the 3-tray method. So I'll link the video so you can watch it. But today is harvest day, and I am so ready to start eating these because these look so beautiful and wonderful. So the first thing I'm going to do is chop them up, cut it off, and then I'm going to rinse them, and then I'm going to dry them, and then we're going to store them. Okay, so this is my first time doing this, so bear with me. And so what I saw on the internet is that you'll grab from here and you just start trimming. And then I'm gonna put it in here. So I'm gonna bring this over here. And I was tasting these. They have like a nice little spice to them that I found. It tastes really good. And it doesn't take that long for this to completely sprout. This took about 2 weeks from seed to sprout what you see right here. And they're very easy. They're very low maintenance. All you have to do is just water it every day. And the method that Philly used with the 3 trays was very creative. I haven't seen it before. Now the question I want to know is like, can I reuse this soil? I have to look that up and see. If you guys know if I can reuse this soil and make more seeds, let me know in the description, in the comments below. Another reason I know that I had to harvest this, it was ready to harvest today, is because it looked the same like this for the past couple of days. And some of the leaves were getting a little bit dried out. So like this right here. A little bit dried out, so I knew that it was ready to go. And there we go, all that beautiful greenery. So let's bring it over to the sink, give it a nice good rinse. My hands are clean though. I washed before I started all this. But it is important to wash your hands first. I don't have a strainer, so this is like a pot strainer that I use that goes with my bigger pot. And when my daughter was first born, I used to make her food. I used to boil or steam her foods in this, and so this is a good little way to get all the dirt at the bottom, which what you can see now. Okay, I think that is great. So now I'm going to bring it over here and just dry it. Now you can cook with these like you do with any other greens, or you can just eat them raw just like this. Fenugreek is good for the digestive system, your reproductive system. It's good for your hair growth. It's good for your skin. It's good for your metabolism. It's good for weight control. It just has a lot of good benefits for using fenugreek seeds or eating fenugreek seeds. Just going to take a paper towel. Just going to blot it. Now the little brown spots that you see, that's not the soil. That's the part that was getting dried out. And I knew that I had to harvest it today. Because my original goal was going to be Sunday, but that would have been way too much. Then I was going to do tomorrow, and I was like, you know, let's just do it today. So I don't want this completely dry. It's good to always leave your greens a little bit moist so it doesn't dry out and turn bad. But then you don't want it too moist and then develop any mold or anything or fungus. So you just have to know what the balance is. I cannot wait to dig into this. Might put in my dinner tonight. And then there you have it. It's beautiful, bright green fenugreek microgreens. So yeah, that's my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. Until next time, bye.